Hey everybody, working on updating our home. We got the empty nest syndrome going on here, and it used to be my daughter's bedroom. Now it's my wife's new office, craft room, office room, work room, and we just got this desk. You just ordered this. This is what we got right here. She put this together yesterday. She's getting really good at putting these things together. It drives me kind of crazy putting these things together, but anyway, a great wide desk. You can see it's got two spots here, and it's got these drawers in the middle. So we got a total of 5 drawers right here. All right, 5 drawers, white, and plenty of room for, you can actually work on both sides. If you wanted to get two chairs to work at on both spots, you can. This is a chair she has here, so she's got her own little ideas on what she wants. So she just set this up yesterday. You can see how wide it is. It's basically, as wide as like 2 desks, right? So basically 2 desks in one. Also, nice little feature right here on the top, built-in plug, extra plug spots right there on the top right there. Really nice. She put it together yesterday, and you can see the kind of look we got going on here. She's got going on here, so she's really working on it really hard here, and I'm just kind of helping, here and there as needed. So if you're looking for a nice wide desk work area space, she's got a monitor here on one side, and her printers and whatever else she's going to do over here on the other side here with a little lamp, and it's kind of a work in progress. But a nice white wide desk with 2 spots to work on, drawers in the middle right here, and plugs right there in the middle as well for your electronic devices. This is what it looks like here. This is what to expect. Got this kind of brown wooden looking top on here on the top right here. That's what to expect if you want this desk. It does come in a box, so it does need to be put together. Took her 30 minutes or so to put it together. That's what to expect.